Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain how to create and execution of a Java program or how to implement a Java program. That is, I have explained in this video. So, first for creation and execution of a Java program, we have totally 3 steps are there. First one is creating the program. First, you have to create the program. Second one is compiling the program. After creation, we have to compiling the program, checking the errors. Then third one is, last one is run the program. So these 3 steps are required for implementation of any Java program. So first one is compiling, creating, compiling and running. So these 3 steps are necessary for any Java program. So first we go for how to create a program. For creating a program, first step. For creating Java program, we take any text editor. Most we are taking the text editor is Notepad. Open the Notepad and write the program in that Notepad. That is known as text editor. Take any text editor. In the text editor, first try typing the program, whatever the program you want to implement. So in this program, first we have to write like this: class name. The class name should be capital letter. The first letter of the class name should be a capital letter. Class name. Then start writing the program. Public, static, void, main, because it is a main function. String, arguments. In this string, S is the capital letter. String args. After writing the main function, then again start the flower bracket. Then depends upon the program, you have to write the code. And close the main program and close the class. So like this, we can create the program in Notepad. After that, we have to save the program. How can you save the program? Means file name .java. The file name, we have to give some name for the program and extension is Java. Here one thing you have to remember, the file name and class name must be the same. The file name and the class name should be the same, and the class name should be the capital letter. First letter should be a capital letter. So file name is also first letter should be capital. File name and class name both are equal. We have to remember, and the extension of the program is Java because it is a Java program. So this is the first step of creation of a Java program. This is called as source file. This .java file is known as a source code. After creation is over, then second step, compiling the program. In the second step, you have to check the errors and it is converted into bytecode. This is a special feature of Java programming. Compiling the program. For compiling the program, we need one compiler. We need Java compiler, that is JavaC. JavaC is the Java compiler. So how to compiling the program means JavaC. Syntax is JavaC. File name .java. Already we saved with one file name, that file name .java. This is the syntax of compiling. JavaC is a compiler. Which file you want to compile? That file name .java. If there is no errors in this, for example, I saved the file name with sum.java. S is capital letter. Then how can you compiling this program in JavaC? Sum.java. So like this, you have to compiling the program. Then it checking the errors. If there is no errors are there, then automatically it creates .class file. File name .class file. In this example, sum.java, there is no errors means sum.class file is created. The class file contains bytecode. .java file contains source code and sum.class contains bytecode. So this is the second step, that is called as compiling the program. Then third step. Third one is running the program. After compiling, the source code is converted into bytecode. Then we have to run the program. Running a Java program. So how can you run a Java program? Means for this we need interpreter. Java interpreter we need it. Java interpreter, the syntax command is Java. For that which interpreter we need means Java only, Java interpreter. The syntax is Java file name. Java file name. The example, what is our file name? Sum. Sum Java sum. So then after interpreting, after running this program, you get the output. For example, I will write, this is the pictorial representation. First we take text editor, any text editor like Notepad. Write the program in the text editor. So which program is written in the text editor? That is called as source code. This is called as source code. Once the source code is completed, then compiling the program. For compiling, we need Javac compiler. Javac file name.java. Once Javac successfully compiled, then automatically class file is created, bytecode file, that is Java class file. Once the class file is created, it contains bytecode, then start run the program. For that we need Java interpreter, that is Java. Once interpreter is started, then we need debugging. For that we require JDB, debugger. Then finally we get the output. So this is a pictorial representation of how to implement a Java program. Text editor we need, source code we created, we need compiler, that is Javac, then automatically class file is created, then run the program. For that we need Java, then we get the output. The source code example, the file name should be the capital letter sum.java, then compile it. How can you compile it? Means Javac file name.java, then run it. For that running we need Java interpreter, Java sum. Then we get the output. This is the procedure for implementation of any simple Java program. Now we will explain with one example. Sum of two numbers. Write a program to find sum of two numbers. How can you create, how can you compiling this program? For this we need the program class name. My class name is sum. S should be the capital letter. Then we write public static void main. Public static void main. String arguments in this S capital, string args. Then start writing actual code. This is the sum of two numbers, means we need three variables a, b, c, all are integer data types. So int is a reserved word for integer data type. Directly I assign some values for both a and b variables. A value 10, b value 20, c equal to a plus b. Each and every line is ended with a semicolon. That is the rule for Java programming. Then print command. Print command is system.out.println. In this system.s should be the capital. Sum is plus is a concatenation operator. Then print c. So program is over. Once the program is finished, we have to compiling save the program. My class name is sum, so I save the file with sum.java. So compiling is Java sum.java. For running, we are using Java sum.java. So running command is Java sum. So compiling Java sum.java, for running Java sum. So this is the example program for sum of two numbers. So how can you implement sum of two numbers program like this? Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Thank you.